Hey guys, in the kitchen. Ooh, lighting. Let's get right. Let's get right. In the kitchen, cooking up a feast. I should have vlogged this last night, but I totally forgot because when I'm in the zone, I'm in the zone. I'm really thinking about picking up the camera to vlog, but show y'all what I got done. I'm making some deviled eggs right now. Last night I cooked, we're having goat oxtails. I made oxtails. I made oxtails in a slow cooker and I'm doing the deviled eggs right now. I made yellow rice, cheesy mashed potatoes, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I look like I'm cooking, so I'm gonna get dressed up a little bit later. Right now it is 1:52, so basically almost 2 o'clock. So everything should be done. I want to say about 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Hi guys, I've been doing the eggs. So she grabbed an egg, right?
You grab an egg. You can cut it.
It's almost done, turkey.
Master, hand me another spoon so I can scoop out the yolk.
And then scoop out the good part, the golden part. That is what you're gonna use to make the stuff.
To make
No.
Oh man, why can't I be in the video?
Matt, look, you want to drink some turkey
So you
juice?
scoop out your yolk, put it in a separate bowl.
I should do a voiceover like that. My sister does a voiceover of my voice or something. They have that. You know they have those
Taking
videos?
the yolk out.
Yeah, Kiana.
If you get any of us, it's gonna be crazy.
Taking the deviled yolk
We need a
out.
whole sister
I
thing.
take cake.
So here's the start of me and my deviled eggs. I've already boiled the eggs. I'm just slicing them apart now and taking out the yolk. I'm also showing my sister how to make deviled eggs. I don't think it's her first time, but her first time watching me make it, so I'm showing her as well. This is not my most organized or neatest way of making deviled eggs. I was kind of in a rush, but not in a rush. I had stuff to finish cooking and watching as far as the turkey still being in the oven. Still had to make the macaroni pie or help with the macaroni pie. I didn't make it this year, but so I was kind of like, let me hurry up and get these deviled eggs out of the way so I can refrigerate them so they can be nice, fresh, and delicious. We're back talking shit.
Hello, let's do this.
Let's do this. So what we're gonna do now is
So fancy.
put a little my salt. Not oh my god, the ghetto.
I
Put a
think
little
the
salt.
turkey's done. Turkey!
We can put a little. Yeah, we can put some relish. Y'all seeing this? Yeah, I got
Is
this.
it-
Relish.
Do we have sauce for it?
Then we got love.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Do we have sauce
Come
for
on,
it?
pepper. Yes, I like mine a little pepper.
I already have my relish, salt, paprika, and black pepper mixed with the yolk. And now I'm going to add my final touches, which would be the mayo and the mustard. Then I'm just going to mix it all together. And as I'm mixing, I'm going to taste because you want to make sure it's not too salty or that it has enough salt. And in this case, this time when I made it, I really didn't measure my salt. I usually don't, but I did have a good bit of salt in that bowl. So it did come out a bit salty, but that's okay. To tone it down, you would just add more mayo and mustard, preferably more mayo. It'll just calm it down a lot more and make it less salty. So you guys will see me kind of do both during this time. have put the eggs where they belong. I have one little egg tray, and I didn't realize how many eggs I actually boiled. So I have this little plate that I'm just gonna plate them on. The ones that are on the plate, I basically used as testers, so we kind of ate from those like as soon as I finished making those. And then the other ones that are in the little egg tray, we ate at dinner time. So like I said, it's just family, small bit of us, so the eggs are not perfect. They're not the cutest, not the best looking eggs that I've made, but they were damn good. So I'm always proud of myself that I usually hit the nail on the head every time I make deviled eggs. So and I actually love making them. They're fun to make. So I'm just putting the mix inside of the eggshells. See, I'm showing you guys the mix there. So I'm putting inside the eggshells, and then I'm going to dress them up with some paprika. And once that's done, I'm going to wrap them up and put them in the refrigerator so they can be nice and cool. They taste a lot better that way.
You win.